Kiladon hadu ars pak khadwengut ki Pulit ki balala ban Pyndep ke Jingshah Hikai hakajaka a jing Hikai kebadan ka 4th MLP Battalion APTC Sopian West Castle District Mentakas Ngi hakaba shis pak khandai flyingut ki deki Pulit Constable kat bakat prangut ki deki Pulit follower la sakiru ikane ke Sngi leng baka passing out parade jong ka batch ke bapra recruit constable ke balong Mentakas Ngi ha APTC Sopian hakaba ka kong ai nongrang IPS DGP ke Jela Meghalaya kalawan ban Sakhi ke tege jingilang kum ka kongsan bat ban shimru ke banta ban ai kublai ya gitigi arspak hadwengot ki Pulit bala Pyndep ke Jingshah Hikai ha ke Sngi lai don lang ru komandan ka 4th MLP Battalion uba lagados im o Superintendent of Police ka West Castle District ba Bikram di Marak ki he Pulit jong ke Jela ki bahayeng sem jong ki Pulit ki bala Pyndep ke tege Jingshah Hikai bat ki wei ki bala syakot snopha.
We now request
was established on 15 February 2002. In the last 23 years, the Armed Police Training Center has conducted 8 batches of basic training for recruit constables and followers, various cadre courses and refresher courses successfully in spite of the lack of infrastructure and other logistical requirements. We are also conducting the 9th batch of basic training presently for recruit constables and followers. Overall, the APTC has trained over 2,000 trainees from different police units and organizations till date. We do hope that with the support and encouragement of the department and the government, we would one day have a full-fledged, recognized Armed Police Training Center. Our humble request to the Honorable Director General of Police, Meghalaya, is to take up this matter of recognition with the government at the earliest. The 193 recruit constables and 18 followers, a total of 211 trainees, joined the battalion on 30th July 2023 and have undergone 11 months of basic training. In between, they were also exposed to law and order duties and election duties recently. During the period of basic course, they were imparted training in both outdoor and indoor subjects. The outdoor subjects covered a wide range of training techniques and skills in physical training, drill with arms, handling of modern sophisticated weapons, and other standard weapons used by the Meghalaya Police. Riot drill and handling of riot gear, including tear smoke, riot grenades, which are a very essential part in dealing with law and order situations in the event of outbreak of riot and similar disturbances. With regards to indoor classes, they were imparted training on important sections of major and minor acts, which includes the CRPC, the IPC, the Evidence Act, the MV Act, the POXO Act, as well as the new criminal laws, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and the Bharatiya Saksha Adhiniyam, which has come into force with effect from today, the 1st of July 2024. Classes on crime against women, trafficking of women and children, gender sensitization, community policing, human rights was also taken up. The examination of the recruit constables was held in the first and second week of June 2024. I am happy to inform you, ma'am, that the RCs have performed exceedingly well in the above exams and all of them have secured above 50%. The physical fitness of the recruit constables deserves special mention as we have put special emphasis on daily PT classes, weekly endurance run of 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers and 10 kilometers, as well as proficiency in the 18 stages obstacle courses in the last 4 months of the basic training. Though we could not allow our basic trainees regular outpass, yet sports, games and other forms of extracurricular activities was held in this institution which enabled the trainees to showcase their talents and skills. The RCs have brought laurels to the battalion and to the district in football, basketball by winning the local district championships and local tournaments. This regular sports interaction has also brought about better police-public relations with the surrounding villages. There were 3 RCs mess nights besides talent night, competition night, where the recruit constables and followers showcase their singing, dancing, acting, quizzing and other cultural skills. Some of the RCs have even performed together with members of the Meghalaya Police Cultural Troupe in their various programs all over the state.
Of course, without all the hard work and the perseverance and the pushing, this would not have been a success. This would not have even happened. My dear family members of all the recruit constables who are here, personnel of the 4th Battalion and other personnel from Meghalaya Police who all form part of what Latador calls the family of Meghalaya Police, and of course the dear recruit constables of the 8th BAT passing out today from the 4th Battalion APTC 4 p.m. When I was making my way this morning to come to the battalion headquarters, the weather took me back 31 years, a little bit over 31 years, when I had my passing out parade. Now this is in Hyderabad, the place where you least expected any rain. There was a cyclone that morning, and we, my batch that is, was the one and only batch that has so far had to have the passing out parade in the auditorium. So the 8th batch here today in Sopian, I have a special connect with you. It was raining a little bit harder than this when the decision was taken that we will go ahead and have the passing out parade in the auditorium. I was so glad that I reached the battalion headquarters and your commandant informed me that the boys have been spoken to and they all said we will go ahead come what may. It is actually a very fitting example of how we as you join the Meghalaya Police have to do our duty come what may. The call of duty is always there. The circumstances might not be the most pleasant. We would have loved if this had been a glorious sunny day, but the rain has also added to the fact that it has made that much more easier to stand and hear and listen to all that is happening around you. It is but also with great pleasure that I welcome you to join the Meghalaya Police as full-fledged members of the Meghalaya Police today. The commandant in his report had mentioned that various inputs had been given to you, activities were planned out, and I'm glad to hear that you have not only participated in activities, but you have given back to the training center and battalion headquarters in what you have contributed in the way of water preservation and conserving water. Water, as we know, we might not feel it now because of all the rain that we've been having for the last few weeks. But water is a very precious commodity, and unless we learn to conserve, preserve, and use it judiciously, we will well be heading to a time when we will not be having that luxury. You, as new members of the Meghalaya Police, will be called upon to do a lot of things which might not have been part of your training curriculum. Be that as it may, rest assured that being a policeman or a member of any police force is something which you should take a great pride in. I am so glad that you took pride in the fact that you are passing out today and you would continue to do your parade because you have practiced for it and you have done your very best. I congratulate not only the medal winners, but all the 193 and the 18 followers, all the 193 constables and the 18 followers who make up this batch of the passing out today. I also take this opportunity to congratulate the instructors of the APTC. Yes, the recognition has not yet come, but the very fact that you have passed out 8 batches makes it a very strong case, and I assure you and the commandant that I will be pushing very hard to make sure that recognition for this training institute happens and happens very soon. We had just to inform the gathering here, we had this SPCO's conference over the last couple of days on Friday and Saturday at police headquarters, and there this matter had also been raised. The Chief Minister has given us the assurance, together with the Deputy Chief Minister, that they are very favorably inclined towards recognition for the APTC here in Sophian. So I can very confidently assure you that that recognition will be happening soon. As a message to all of our recruit constables and followers passing out today, remember that being a part of a force and donning the uniform is a calling. It is not just another job. It is a calling, and it is something that you have to be sure that you dedicate the life to. Yes, there will be things that we would not like to do, but we have to do. There are various instances when we would be going much beyond the call of duty. But as has been said, the various examples that have been set before you, not only in the years that have passed, but even here in the days, in the 11 months that you spent here in the training center, you would have seen that when we are called upon to do something, we do it. And we do it to the best of our ability. I think the boys and everybody else has had enough of standing in the rain. So again, I take this opportunity to wish you the very best and welcome you into the Meghalaya Police. Thank you. Wish you good. Mithela. Jai Hind.